You've seen it before, that blinking cursor on that empty Google Doc with all those unwritten social media posts. You know the deal. You're also stressed out about designing the assets and scheduling everything. I can imagine you're tired of the workload. Hey, I'm tired just thinking about it. Which is why I'm stoked to tell you all about today's lifetime deal on Creasquare. What's poppin' sumo links? Stipan here with Best Software Deals, the #1 marketplace for marketers and solopreneurs. Today, I'm going to tell you all about Creasquare, the AI-powered social media toolkit that makes it easy to write, design, and schedule content for multiple platforms. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We've got new deals coming out every week, so stay tuned. Creasquare is going to revolutionize your social media strategy forever. So all you got to do is connect your accounts to create your first post. You can start from scratch or choose pre-made formats ready for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn with a format in mind. Let's head over to the Creative Studio. Here's where you can access over 100,000 customizable templates for your designs and videos. Edit any part of your design, including text, images, and colors. Remove backgrounds in seconds and browse through millions of stock images and videos. Once your design is complete, you can schedule that post for multiple platforms at once. And don't worry about resizing. Creasquare does that for you. Now we just gotta write some killer captions to seal the deal. Enter the AI writing tool. This bad boy will write content for your socials in just a few clicks. It'll also generate relevant hashtags for your posts on the spot. If you have something saved, you can always find that content in this side panel. Once you're good to go, just schedule a post. You can see all scheduled content in your calendar, and if you're working with multiple clients, Creasquare lets you create separate workspaces for each of them. This is how to scale your social media, folks. So if you're serious about growing, click the link below to get this lifetime deal on Creasquare right now. Do that last sentence one more time. The hair in my mouth. Christine, let me try one more.